Welcome to the Passive Installer video series. In this video, we will cover how to change the mean water temperature. This setting is only used for setting the maximum temperature for underfloor heating or slab setting in new builds. This should not be used for setting standard system design temperatures, as the Passive Smart Thermostat will be constantly adjusting the system to use the minimum flow temperature to heat the home. The mean water temperature can be adjusted using the Passive Programmer. Firstly, go to the Programmer and hold down the up and down buttons for 5 seconds to open the Installer menu. From the Installer menu, select Maximum Flow Temperature. In this menu, you are able to set 2 different limits to the flow temperature, either permanent or temporary. The first option will place a permanent upper limit to the flow temperature of the system that applies to all zones. Use the circle button to turn the setting on. You can then select the temperature to adjust as needed, using the up and down buttons. The second option, New Floor Slab, works similarly to the first, but it allows you to set a duration, in weeks, for the limit to last. Activate the setting the same way, and you can then adjust both the maximum temperature and the duration using the up and down buttons. Select Apply to confirm, and these temperatures will now apply to the heating system until they are either turned off from the same menu or after the new floor slab duration. To find out more about the Passive Smart Thermostat, visit our website at passiveuk.com. Passive, the smart way to control your heat pump.